06 October 2017 17H00 POOLAFP German prosecutors say a corruption probe into a Eurofighter sale will soon be over. Frankfurt am Main AFP. A corruption probe into aircraft manufacturer Airbus over the sale of fighter jets to Austria will soon be over, a spokeswoman for Munich prosecutors told AFP Friday. Bavarian investigators have been looking into the European firm since 2012, prosecutor Hildegard Biemler-Hostel said, adding that they had little evidence so far of corruption. Only once the probe is done will prosecutors decide whether or not to bring charges. Meanwhile, Newsweekly Der Spiegel reported Friday without citing sources that prosecutors were preparing charges against unnamed suspects over the case. The assertion of Der Spiegel that a charge is being prepared and filed soon is not based on any declaration or disclosure by the public prosecutor, an Airbus spokesperson told AFP. Internal investigators stumbled across more than 100 possibly corrupt payments in the three-digit millions, the magazine reported, citing anonymous sources. An Airbus business unit in Paris reportedly built a network of shell companies linked to London-based Vector Aerospace, formerly the group's aircraft maintenance subsidiary. Its system allowed the group to make bribes to decision-makers in Austria, while Vienna was mulling its purchase of Eurofighter military jets, Spiegel added, culminating in a 15-aircraft deal worth around €1.7 billion. Austrian authorities are also investigating Airbus, after bringing charges in February, claiming between €183 million and €1.1 billion from the company over undefeatable commissions. And probes have been opened in France and Britain on suspicion of corruption in Airbus' civil aviation arm. 2017 AFP.